So the first question is, this is the method of factorization. Solve the following equation by factorization method. The first question is 81x square minus 25 equals to 0. So how to solve this? By factorization method. And clearly it is the square of 2. It is the difference of 2 squares. So how to factorize it? Raise your hand. Can you factorize it? Yes, Arjun.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this question, 81x square minus 25 is equal to 0. 81x
What will we
square,
write?
sir, we will write 9x the whole square minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 square.
9x whole square minus 5 square equals to 0. Okay. So
It implies 9x plus 5 into 9x minus 5 is equals to 0. And we will write the identity that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
as a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So next line.
And then, sir, we will solve it. Case 1 will be 9x plus 5 is equal to 0. It implies x is equals to minus 5 upon 9.
It implies either 9x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Or
9x minus 5 is equal to 0.
it implies either 9x equals to minus 5 or 9x equals to 5. It implies x equals to minus 5 by 9 or x equals to 5 by 9. Understood, everyone? So the final line is still there. Solution set for x equals to, right in this bracket, this is the set bracket, minus 5 by 9 comma 5 by 9. Understood? Then finally write the answer. Question completed. Okay, is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can solve question number 1b also. So now can you tell me how to solve question number 1c? Leave this 1b, it is easier. You have to solve it yourself and ask out if you don't get. So 1c is 9 into 2x minus 3 whole square minus 49 equals to 0. It implies, yes, yes.
Sir, 9 into 2x square.
2x square.
Sir, a minus b square formula.
No, this is not the correct method.
We write 3 into 2x minus 3 whole in bracket whole square.
Again,
So it implies bracket 3 into 2x minus 3 bracket close whole
in
square.
place of this, do it one by one, step by step. 3 square, okay? 3 square into 2
Yes.
minus 3 whole square minus, write this 49 as 7 square equals to 0. It implies okay, first we write 3 square into 2x minus 3 whole square minus 7 square equals to 0. Then 3 into 2x minus 3. They can be written inside the same bracket. Minus 7 square equals to 0. It implies then first we multiply this terms inside the bracket. 3 into 2x, 6x minus 3 into 3, 9 whole square minus 7 square equals to 0. It implies now it is the difference of 2 squares. So we can use what?
Sir, a square minus
Yes.
b square is equals to a
Yes.
plus b into
A
a.
square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So it is 6x minus 9 minus 7 into 6x minus 9 plus 7 equals to 0. It implies 6x minus 16 into 6x minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 equals to 0. Understood, everyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Now
sir.
we can take 2 common from first bracket. So 2 into 3x minus 8, 2 common from second bracket. So 2 into 3x minus 1 equals to 0. It implies 2 and 2 are constant, so they will be cancelled out. They cannot be 0. है ना? Now product of two terms is 0. So either first of them, that is 3x minus 8 equals to 0, or second one 3x minus 1 equals to 0. It implies either 3x equals to 8 or 3x equals to 1. It implies either x equals to 8 by 3 or x equals to 1 by 3. Understood? So solution set for x equals to, first write the smaller than greater. 1 by 3 comma 8 by 3, which is the answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is
I
there
not understood how 2 is.
huh?
So not understood how 2 is removed.
How?
The 2 is removed.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell me why we are writing either 3x minus 8 equals 0 or 3x minus 1 equals to 0? Why are we writing this line 3x minus 8 equals to 0, 3x minus 1 equals 0? In previous question, you have done the same, na? Either 9x plus 5 equals to 0 and 9x minus 5 equals 0. Why? Can you tell me the reason for this?
These are the two cases.
No. As if the product of two numbers is 0, means either first of them is 0 or second of them is 0 or both can also be 0. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If product of two numbers is 0, means what? Either first of them is 0, which is 9x plus 5, okay? Or second of them is 0, which is 9x minus 5. Or both can also be 0. Similarly, in this, there are 4 factors, na? 2 into 3x minus 8 into 2 into 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Means either 2 equals to 0. Can it be true?
No, sir.
So it can be removed. Is that clear to you?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Understood now? Or 3x minus 8 equals to 0. Or again there is 2. So when those terms which are non-zero will be removed. Is that clear to you? So the next is 3x minus 8 equals to 0 or 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Means only these two
sir,
will be 0. 2 cannot be 0. Wait. I will clear the doubts of everyone one by one. And now tell what's your doubt?
sir, is it compulsory to write this line solution set for x?
Yes.
And sir, what is the need of this writing here, sir?
What is
You
the
can need, sir. Why it is written that solution set?
the question? We have to find the solution. So we have to write the solution finally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This
Okay,
is
sir.
the
Excuse me,
proper way
sir.
of solving any question. Solution set.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it necessary to take two common? Because if we do not take two common,
Then
then
there will
also
be
we
the
will
same
get.
answer. There will be the same answer. Then also, but sometimes it becomes complicated also. So we must take 2 common. है ना? This is the proper way of solving question. Otherwise, answer will be same. Even if you will not take 2 common from this, the answer is x equals to 16 by 6 on solving this. So we have to write it in simplified form. Sometimes you leave it in 16 by 6 form. So your marks can also be deducted if the examiner is strict. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You leave it 2 by 6, 16 by 6. You have to then divide them by 2 to make that, to change them in lowest form, hai na? As we have to give the answer always in lowest form according to rules of any equation. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now we will discuss question number D. Question number D is x square minus 21x plus 110 equals to 0. है ना? X square minus 21x plus 110 equals to 0. Understood this question? X square minus 21x plus 110 equals to 0. To solve these types of question, we have to factorize it, okay, by splitting method. So first of all, what should we do? First, we take the coefficient of x square, which is 1, and the constant term, which is 110, and multiply them. So their product is 110. Now find the factors of 110 as it is plus 110. So find the factors of 110 whose sum is 21. Is that clear to you? We have to find the factors of 110 whose sum is 21. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This first we
Yes,
start
sir.
writing it. First we will use 1. 1 into what equals to 110?
1 into 110.
1 into 110. Now this is one pair of factors. So if we add these two factors, 110 plus 1 equals to, it is 111. But we have to bring the sum of factors as 21. Now if we transfer this 0 to with 1, so it becomes 10 and this becomes 11. Still the product is 110. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And now if we add these two factors, 10 plus 11 equals to 21. It means this is the required pair of factors. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We then write x square minus, then always apply bracket. If there is minus, then to avoid any confusion, use bracket. Okay. Then this 21 is converted to, we have already written 11 plus 10. So we write 11x plus 10x plus 110 equals to 0. It implies, now open this bracket, x square minus 11x minus 10x plus 110 equals to 0. It implies x into x minus 11 minus 10 into x minus 11 equals to 0. It implies, now there are two terms. First term is x into x minus 11. Second term is minus 10 into x minus 11. So if we take x minus 11 common from these two, it is into x minus 10 equals to 0. Is that clear to everyone? So it implies either the first factor is 0 or the second factor is 0. It implies either x equals to 11 or x equals to 10. So the final line is solution set for x. So it is compulsory to write this final line, 10 comma 11, which is the answer. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number E is there, which is 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equals to 0. Question number 1E. This is ना, and it is 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equals to 0. So we will further repeat the process, same process. Okay. What should be the first term? And
Yes, sir.
yes. What will be the first step?
For 1 minute, I'm calculating that.
What should we do first?
Sir, 21 into 8.
Means first we will find the product of coefficient of square and the constant term. 8 into 21. So 21 is
168.
168. And remember it is negative as a minus 21 is there. So what should we do now?
Find the factors of 168 so that their sum or their difference
No,
should be
not
22.
not their sum or the difference. Their difference only. This is minus 168. Understood? When it is plus 110, like in previous question. Okay. Don't be so confused.
Yes, sir.
Find only sum. When the product is 1 into 110, it is positive. So we have to find the factors whose sum is 21. Okay. When the product is minus 168, as it is minus 21. Is that clear to you? So we have to find the factors such that their difference is 22. Is that clear to you?
So 6 into 28.
No, I have not asked to you this. Never answer that thing which has not been asked to you. Is that clear to you? I have not asked. I am discussing only. First, we will find the factors starting from 1. Tell all the factors of 168. Pairs of factors. All means starting from 1. 1 into what?
Sir, 1 into 168.
And we have to find what? Difference or the sum?
The difference.
What should be the difference?
Sir, minus, sir,
Difference must be the coefficient of x. Is that clear to you?
yes, sir.
So difference must be 22. Understood? But difference of 168 and 1 is not 22. So what will be the next pair? After 1 there is 2. So 2 into what?
Sir, 84.
2 into 84. This time the difference of 84 and 2 is? What is the difference of 2 and 84? 84 minus 2. What will be the value of 84 minus 2? Are you there in class?
Sir, 82.
So why are you not replying? 82, but we have to bring 22. So leave it. Then next.
Sir, 2 into 42.
2 to 3.
2 into 40.
There is 3. After 2, there will be 3. So check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. And tell. 3 into 3 5s are 15. Okay. Remainder is 1. 1 8 18. So 3 6 are 18. So the next factor is 3 into 56. Then find its difference. It is 56 minus 3 equals to
54.
clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the next pair? After 3, which term is there?
Sir, 4 into 42.
4 into
42.
82. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 and 84 divided by 2 is 42. But their difference is 38 and we have to bring 22. Again, 5
22.
divisible by 5 as the units digit 8. For divisibility by 5, the unit digit must be either 0 or 5. So leave it. Next is 6. 6 into, now multiply. 6 divide by 6. 6 2s are 12. So 16 minus 12, it is 4. it becomes 48. 6 4s are 6 8 is a
8 is a 48.
okay. Now find the difference. 28 minus 6 equals to 22, and we have to bring 22. So we write what?
8x square minus 28
28x as it is 22x minus
plus
6x minus 20
21
equals to 0.
equals to 0
Guys, 8x square minus 20
minus 28
minus minus
plus
plus
6x
6x minus 21
minus
equals to
21
0.
equals to
It implies now in first two 4x is common now, so it is 2x minus 7. In next step 3 is common into 2x minus 7 equals to 0. It implies in next step 2x minus 7 is common into 4x
and 4x plus 3
equals to 0. It implies either
2x minus
minus 7
7
equals to 0
is
or 4x plus 3 equals to 0. It implies either 2x equals to 7 or 4x equals to minus 3. It implies either x equals to 7 by 2 or x equals to minus 3 by 2.
minus 3 by 4.
So the solution set for x equals to minus 3 by 4 comma 7 by 2, which is the answer. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this is the method how we can find the factors even if you don't know. Sometimes you know the factors, these are very easy. It is very smaller. But taking the example of this expression, I'm telling you how to find the factors of even those which you cannot find directly. Okay. So always use this method. Sometimes students use this method. This is the method of prime factorization. Sometimes you get it directly by writing 2 into 21, 3 sevens are 21. If you write them correctly, like 4 into 7, now सही लग गया कभी कभी 28 और बाकी की हो गया 6, तो 28 minus 6 equals to 22. लेकिन कभी कभी बहुत लंबा होगा कि इस 2 को लिया बाकी सबको लिया, बहुत लंबे होते चले जाते, खत्म ही नहीं होता है, समझ में नहीं आता हमेशा. This method is better. Is that clear to you? Don't use this method. This
Yes,
is
sir.
of prime factorization. Sometimes 10 or 12 factors are obtained on prime factorization, and we are not able to find the pair, but in this we are getting the pairs only. Okay, understood? So use this method only, don't use this method. Okay, is that clear to everyone? So the next question is 21x square minus 8x minus 4. So can you solve it yourself? Na? You can solve it. It is very easier. Now question number G. So look at this. It is question number G is x into x plus 1 equals to 210. Okay. X into x plus 1 equals to 210. So how to solve this? It implies what should be the next line? ये बताना है कि कैसे.
Yes, sir. It implies that x square plus x minus 210 is equals to 0.
Okay, so the first term, in first term, we transfer all the terms to the left hand side and write them equals to 0. Then Adit, next line.
It implies that
What?
x square, we will find the factors of 210. So first we will take 1 into 210.
And the difference
No,
of
sir,
factors
two,
is 1.
209.
What we have to find? Difference or the sum?
Sir, difference.
Why? Why we have to find the difference, not the sum? You don't know.
Yes, sir. We have to find the. Yes, sir. We have to find the sum only.
Sum only. Why the sum if sum?
Mm.
So pay attention in class always. If you are doing anything other than the work which is discussed in class and you are not listening in class, then you will not be able to find what has been discussed in class. In previous question, I have told you one thing which you have not listened, I think. You have not paid the attention to that. What I have told you, when we find the sum and when we find the difference, can you tell? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Here only.
So why are you not answering? When we find the sum and when we find the difference? When the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term is negative, when the product is negative, understood, we find the difference of factors. We find the difference of factors which must be equal to what?
Equal to the difference.
Coefficient of x. And which product? Product of coefficient of x square and constant term. Product of coefficient of x square and constant is negative. We find the difference of factors to be equal to coefficient of x. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And if product is positive, then what should we do?
We will find the sum of factors to be equal to the coefficient of x.
To be equal to coefficient of x. Understood, everyone? This time it is minus 210. So what we have to find? The factors whose difference is equal to coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x?
1, sir.
1. So we have to find the factors. Pair of factors
1.
difference is 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So first factor is 1 into there is 1 and 210 and its difference is 1 or not.
No, sir. Not.
And at the same time transfer this 0 with 1, so it becomes 10 into 21. Still the difference is not 1. So what will be the next factor?
200.
2 into what? After 1 is 2. If you will not pay the attention in class, you will do like you are
105, sir.
2
105, sir.
5. And this should be done verbally, not by writing in your notebook. So leave your notebook away. Okay. Then 3 into what?
Sir.
3 into 70 is also 210. So this is also the pair of factor of 210. Understood? And find its difference. It is still not 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next factor is after 1, 2, and 3. The next factor will be what? After 1, 2, and 3, what is the next number? Do you know the next number? After 1, 2, and 3, the next number is 4. Don't you know?
Sir,
Huh?
Sir,
After
42. 5 into 42.
4, I
4
am
will not
asking
work,
you
sir.
what I am telling you. Listen only.
4. Yes, sir. I know.
After 3, which number is there?
Yes, sir. I know it.
4 into, but when we multiply this
4, sir.
2, it is 4. And now to find the next factor, if you divide 105 by 2, you cannot divide. So 4 is not the factor of 210. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? When we multiply this 2 and the factors of 210, so if we multiply 2 by 2, it becomes 4. And but this other pair 105, other pair means other member of this pair 105 cannot be divided by 2. So it cannot be the factor of 210. Understood? Are you involved in class or not?
Sir, actually my net is not coming, sir. That's why I'm getting problems. Sir.
Adya, with the next pair. So what will be the next number?
Sir, 5, 5.
5 into what?
5
Divide
into
210 by 5. So 5, 4 is
4 is a 20.
remainder 1,
42.
42, and its difference is also not 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the next number?
6, sir.
6 into what?
6 into
So check it. Look at this. This is 3, na? And twice of 3 is 6. So we will make the half of 70. So can you divide 70 by 2?
yes, sir.
1 by 2, we have to divide other by 2. Dividing by 2 is easier, na? So what is 70 by 2?
65, 35.
35. And if you divide 210 directly by 6, then it is also easier. So 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 21 minus 18, 3. So 3 0 30. 6 5s are 30. Difference is still not 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next is next factor.
7.
7 into
30.
30. This time also difference is not 1. When we know that, we have to find the difference as the coefficient of x, that is 1. Is that clear to you? So what will be the next factor?
8.
8. As 4 was not the factor, so 8 also cannot be the factor of 210. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next,
9.
9 cannot be the factor. Why? Can you tell me?
So 9 into 30.
If we add all the digits of 210, 2 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 3. The sum of digits must be 9. If the sum of digits is 9, then only a number is divisible by 9. Is that clear to you?
Okay, sir.
So it cannot divide, they cannot be divided by 9. So 9 is also not the factor. Then next is 10 into 21, which we already have written. Now check for 11. Is it divisible by 11? So for this, you have to check by 11 only. 11 ones are 11. Remainder is 10, 100. 11 nines are 99. Now remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by 11. Is that clear to you? Next is 12.
Yes, sir.
It is divisible by 6. If we make 6 into 2, 12. But we cannot divide this 35 by 2. Is that clear to you? So 12 is also not the factor. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If we want to check with 12, 6 2s are 12, but 35 cannot be divided by 2, so leave it also, okay? Next is 13. So with 13, you have to check. 13 ones are 13. Remainder is 8, 80. 80 doesn't come in 13. 13 6 are 78. Remainder is 2. So it is not divisible by 13. Now we have to check with what?
14.
14. So for this we check with 7. 7 into 2 we have checked 14. So we must divide 30 by 2. So what will be the next factor? 30 by 2 is
15.
15. So it is
14
14
into
into 15. And its difference is also 1. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we write x square plus 15x minus 14x minus 210 equals to 0. Then if we take x common into x plus 15 minus 14 common into x plus 15 equals to 0. It implies x plus 15 into x minus 14 equals to 0. It implies either x plus 15 equals to 0 or x minus 14 equals to 0. It implies either x equals to minus 15 or x equals to 14. So the solution set for x equals to minus 15 comma 14, which is the answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Is
No,
there
sir.
any doubt? So you have to find the factors with this method. When the question is smaller like this, we all know that 14 into 15 is 210. So we can solve it easily, directly also. But sometimes when